Bigge has earned a reputation as a specialist in the transport, lift, and installation of all types of equipment. This is attributed to our experience, our know-how, an expansive fleet of cranes, and the gear required to get the job done. A jack and roll operation is a solution for maneuvering large, heavy components into tight spaces. Working closely with our customers and supported by in-house engineering, Bigge routinely performs this kind of work. Our perfect fleet of mobile cranes consists of the top manufacturers and the most field-proven models. Maintained to the highest standards, its reliability ensures uptime and efficient completion of a project. This is true not only of our cranes, but also applies to slings, jacks, rollers, chainfalls, and skidding systems. With the very best tools and the teams to get the job done right, look to us as your trusted partner. Contact Bigge to learn more.